Capricorn, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the second week of November. Let's jump into your read and see what energies are playing out for you. I hope you're all fine wherever you are, Capricorn. Enjoy yourself, stay healthy, my dears. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. This is for the sun, moon, rising sign of Capricorn. Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to get a clearer and more complete picture about your situation. Okay? I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for all your views, for your likes, your subscriptions, and the love that you've shown the channel and to me. Thank you so much. I'm truly grateful. Remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Okay, I would love to make more and different kinds of content for you, not just weekly and monthly readings. So help my channel to grow and I can make more videos for you. Also, you'll find a link to my website in the description box below. Do visit it, share your feedback, and you'll find links to my social media there. Definitely meet me there, okay? We need 2 more cards and then we're ready to roll. I'll be happy to do your personal reading. You'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. Alright, Capricorn. November second week reading for you. November second week, Capricorn. And you've drawn new moon in Aries. It's time to take action. Now the message that I get here is you are contemplating something. This is a new idea for a lot of you, okay? This is a new, probably a wish or a desire, which you find yourself contemplating. And you're not very sure because you've made a lot of changes to your life recently, and this one is quite different from what you've wanted so far, and this has got you all passionate and excited. Definitely you should try this, okay? That is the main message that I get. Yes, it is time to figure out whether this new idea, new goal, new desire, new passion that you found for yourself, whether it has potential. Definitely try it out. And a fork in the road, exactly the energy that I was getting. You were going on a path, and what happened is you've decided this is what I would like to do, and you've come up with a new idea suddenly, okay? Or something struck you, or something came across that you found more interesting, and which is very different from where you were deciding to go, whatever goal you had. And now it is like, where do I do? What do I do? I was wanting to do this, and now I feel like doing this. Follow your passion. Whatever the new thing is, don't go blindly into it, research it, but definitely take action and try and see where this is leading you. And this will lead you to more celebrations. That is the message I'm getting for you, okay? This will seem like a new territory for you, but something that will work out for the best for you at the end. Wonderful, wonderful. Sounds very adventurous, Capricorn. Yes, you've drawn the World card. Now this is about a new world opening up. The energy that I was picking up, a new world. This is a complete new territory. This is a complete new adventure for you, and that is beckoning to you, okay? And you must try it. For some of you, it is even going abroad for a job, or following your heart where your sweetheart is, and just going and having a probably starting to live together. It is completely different from what you've anticipated, what you've wanted, okay? And you're contemplating whether this has any potential. It definitely does. Follow your heart, follow this newfound passion, and you will build a completely new world that you not even thought of for yourself, which is very fulfilling, let me tell you. Yes, again the world in his hand. You've got 2 world cards here. Definitely, this is 2 paths the one that you had selected for yourself and were going around, and now you've chosen another path, or another path has come into your view, and you're wondering whether you should. Yes, it takes you overseas. Yes, it may take you to the end of your country, or at the end, on another side of your country, another town, another city, another neighborhood. Do it, because that is calling out for you, and this is the major decision time. And it is not just decision time, it is about action time. Beautiful. And for a lot of you, this is overseas. Okay, yes, you've been in this Five of Swords energy, fighting a battle, and going through challenges, and just now when you thought you had it all figured out, you have a new path ahead of you. Okay, but understand that anything that comes into our life is because things are meant to move in a different direction. All right, so if you keep fighting the same battles, you're going to be bone weary. You are now asked to take action in another direction. And this is exciting reading for you, Capricorn. I would love this change personally. Exactly. Six of Wands and Five of Wands energy. If you see it with these two cards, the energy is more or less same. You've been in your mind, you've been in your mind space, worrying about now whether it is right, whether it is wrong, should I do it, should I not do it, and there has been a lot of drama in your situation. And now you choose. When you choose this new path, it is going to be less drama or no drama at all, and it is going to be no challenges in that huge respect. Challenges is a part of life, okay, but it is nothing. It is going to give you a lot of happiness. It's going to give you a lot of fulfillment, and that is where you are being called. Okay, so Capricorn, do let me know when these energies play out in your life. I would love to hear what this energy means for you. Okay, I'll see you soon, but before that, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Namaste.